Most people get this wrong when ordering Walmart grocery delivery for the first time. They choose the wrong delivery option. They miss hidden fees. Or they place the order and wonder why it arrives late. Here's the truth no one tells you. Ordering Walmart grocery delivery online or through the app is easy, if you know the exact steps and settings to choose. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to order Walmart grocery delivery in 2026, how to choose the best delivery slot, how to avoid common mistakes, and how to save money on fees. So let's get straight into it. First, Walmart grocery delivery lets you shop for groceries and household items from your phone or computer and have them delivered to your home. This can include fresh fruits and vegetables, milk and bread, frozen food, snacks, cleaning supplies, and more. But here's the problem. A lot of people confuse grocery delivery with shipping or pickup. And this is where most people fail. Shipping sends items through mail. Pickup means you collect the order yourself. Delivery means Walmart or a delivery partner brings it to your address. Simple. Step 1. Download the Walmart app or visit Walmart's website. Sign in to your Walmart account. If you don't have one, create an account. This only takes a minute. Now enter your delivery address. This is important. Walmart uses your location to show available items and delivery times. For example, Alex enters the wrong address. His order gets delayed. Jake double-checks his address. Everything arrives correctly. Simple. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once your address is set, Walmart may show different shopping options. Pickup, bike, shipping, and delivery. Select delivery. This is where most people fail. They accidentally choose pickup and wonder why no one is bringing the order. So make sure delivery is selected. Now start shopping. Search for the groceries you need. Tap Add to Cart. You can browse by category like produce, dairy, meat, frozen, bakery, household essentials, and pharmacy items. As you add items, check the quantity. For example, 1 banana may mean 1 banana, not 1 bunch. This is where most people fail. Always review quantities. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to save money on delivery fees. But first, let's continue. After adding everything to your cart, tap the cart icon. Review your items carefully. Check prices. Check quantities. Remove anything extra. Now, tap Continue to checkout. At checkout, Walmart will show available delivery times. Choose the best slot for you. Some slots may cost more. Some may be free with Walmart. Now here's where it gets interesting. Earlier delivery times may fill up fast. So ordering early gives you better options. For example, John shops at 9 p.m. Only late night slots are left. Alex shops in the morning. He gets same-day delivery. Simple. Now select your preferred delivery time. Then, review substitutions. This is important. If an item is out of stock, Walmart may replace it. You can choose. Allow substitutions. Choose specific substitutions. Or no substitutions. This is where most people fail. They don't review this. Then, they get the wrong item. For example, you order whole milk. Walmart substitutes almond milk. If you don't want that, turn substitutions off. Simple. Now enter your payment method. You can use credit card, debit card, PayPal in some regions, gift card, or other accepted methods. Enter your billing details carefully. Now review fees. You may see delivery fee, service fee, and tip option. Now here's the problem. A lot of users are surprised by fees. And this is where most people fail. Always review the final total before placing the order. Now let's talk about saving money. The easiest way to save on delivery fees is Walmart. Walmart often includes free grocery delivery on eligible orders. So if you order often, it may save money. For example, Jake orders groceries weekly. He gets Walmart. Saves on fees over time. Simple. i.e. Now, place your order. Tap Place Order. You'll receive confirmation. Then Walmart may send updates by app notification, email, or text. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can often edit your order before the shopping starts. Forgot eggs? Forgot bread? You may still be able to add them. Check the order section quickly. This is a small win. Now, let's talk about tracking. Open the Walmart app. Go to your orders. You may see status updates like preparing, shopping, out for delivery, delivered. Some orders even show live tracking. This helps you know exactly when to expect it. Now let's talk about tipping. In many cases, you can tip the delivery driver. You may tip at checkout or after delivery. This depends on the service. Now here's the problem. Some people think the service fee is the tip. It usually isn't. This is where most people fail. Always check separately. Now let's cover common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Wrong address. Solution. Double check before checkout. Mistake number 2. Wrong delivery option. Solution. Select delivery, not pickup. Mistake number 3. Ignoring substitutions. Solution. Review substitution settings. Mistake number 4. Ordering too late. Solution. Book early for better time slots. Mistake number 5. Not checking fees. Solution. Review the final total. Now in a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to reorder groceries next time. Here it is. Open previous orders in the Walmart app. Tap Reorder. This saves time. For example, John buys the same groceries every week. He taps Reorder. Done in minutes. Simple. Now, let's quickly recap. Open Walmart app or website. Sign in. Set your address. Choose delivery. Add groceries to cart. Review cart.oas. Choose delivery time. Set substitutions. Enter payment. Review fees. Place order. Track delivery. That's the full process. Simple once you know the steps. Now you know exactly how to order Walmart grocery delivery online or on the app in 2026. No confusion. No wasted time. Just the fastest and easiest method. If this video helped you order Walmart grocery delivery, hit the like button. Comment below if you use Walmart delivery or pickup. And if you want more simple Walmart tutorials and step-by-step guides, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.